A lot of our socialisation is around friends, catching up for some drinks and having a chat. I was worried about it quite significantly because it was quite a large part of my life. I needed to take control of myself, my life, and prioritise and start saying no to people. Didn't touch any alcohol for the next 4 months, and I think I lost 9 kilos in the first quarter of 12WBT. What I've found since is the support network for those who happened to enjoy a drink with me. The good friends hang around. That we've got a couple of fly-by-nighters, they've gone, that's okay. I found that my mornings now, I go for a run with a girlfriend on Saturday mornings, and we go for a run, come back and have breakfast. Much more civilised. I'm 46 years old, I never thought I'd be able to run, and I'm running all the time now. I couldn't have imagined myself running, let alone doing a Spartan race, and thinking about doing triathlon training.